Hey guys! Welcome back to 1 Million Worth of Channel, the place where we are on the path to achieve the first 1 million net worth, enjoy the financial freedom, and early retirement. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts, share it with your friends and family, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this. The time for action is now. It's never too late to do something. In 2021, if you're not investing money, believe us, you're in a bad financial situation. You can't predict a better future when you only have a few dollars in your account. We all need to ponder on investing money at some point in our life because it gives you numerous options to accrue your savings. Investing money is an incredible way to control what's about to come into your life. In today's video, you will learn 5 reasons why you should invest your money. 1. Reduce chances of losing money through inflation. In 2021, money is losing its value due to high inflation rate. The prices of goods are increasing over time and damaging our purchasing power, which means you're unable to buy a certain product because inflation keeps growing 2% to 3% every year. Saving money won't help you either because you won't be able to earn the interest rate to cover your expenses, and it will now or then have less buying power. Investing wisely can help you go ahead in life, like investing in stock exchange and real estate can help you safeguard against inflation. These assets will rise with inflation and preserve your money. 2. Compounding power. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world." Consider investing because of the compounding effect, which means whenever you'll put your money for investment, it's going to be double, or at a compounding interest rate. The process of compound interest takes place in different types of investments, like your savings account. It will help you make few percentage of your money in interest in the first year, and this rate will increase next year according to the new interest rate, which means you will get more money every year. For instance, if you put $10,000 into the stock market about 25 years ago with an average rate of 10% per year, it means today you will get $108,000, which is amazing. This process is called compounding, that increases your balance rate per year. 3. Tax advantages. The tax that you make on any gains is called capital gains, which are taxed at lower rates than normal income tax. In capital gains, you are only required to pay 50% of your normal income tax rate. For instance, if you bought an investment property for $1 million and after a little while you're planning to sell it for $1.5 million, then you're only required to pay 50% of your income tax rate. If you have to pay 40% tax on your salary, you'll only pay 20% tax on those gains. Different rules apply to different countries, so you'll need to check on how much tax you will need to pay on the gains according to your country's rules. 4. Passive income. Passive income is working earlier to gain long-term results through a source income. In passive income, you're going to be paid based on the amount of work that you put in initially, and then you will reap long-term rewards in the coming years. So, no matter what you're doing right now, the initial effort you made will help you make money throughout your life. For instance, if you own shares of dividend-paying companies, then every few months you will be paid through a source of income. Or if you have a real estate rental house or a high-interest savings account, you can make interest on your money. 5. Financial freedom. Financial freedom means your expenses for your lifestyle are going to be equal or less than the income that's coming from your investments. A survey by CBC News done in 2017 found that 50% of Canadian employees said that it would be difficult to meet their financial needs if their paycheck were delayed by even 1 week. The fear of not getting paid on time can be prevented only through investment or passive income, which can save you from future worries. In that way, you don't have to feel stressed about working longer or working overtime because your income from your investments will cover all your expenses. Investment doesn't only help you solve your financial issues, but you can spend more time with your family, go on vacations, and why not having more time to help other people? That's all for today, guys. We'll be here for you every Sunday, so stay tuned to 1 Million Worth of Channel. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts, share it with your friends and family, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this about savings, personal growth, investments, and more topics that will change your lifestyle, wealth, and of course, in the end, your net worth and achieving financial freedom.